story. Today I'm going to tell you a wonderful story. The name of the story is The Little Square Big Heart. Once upon a time, there was a little square named Scotty. Scotty lived in a world of shapes where everyone was different. One day, the big storm came. Many ships lost home. Scotty wanted help, but say, I'm just a small square. What can I do? But Scotty didn't give up. She used her 4 equals to build a shelter. Triangle saw Scotty building the shelter and asked, can I join you, Scotty? Square happily agreed. Triangle placed shelter to make one side stronger. Circle came rolling by rolling and offered help curved shape to protect from the wind. Rectangle also needed shelter, so he joined him and used these long slices as walls, short slices as doors. Together the friends worked to make the shelter feeling safe and happy. Friends gathered in the shelter feeling safe and happy. Later more ships joined. Hexagon added a side for extra strength. Stars used their bonds as stability. Square small shelter turned into a place of community and kindness. Thanks her big heart. Moral: no matter how small you are, your kindness and help can make a big difference in the life of others. Thank you.